Hi, I'm Mike from White Rhino, and today I want to talk to you about golf cart battery maintenance. To make sure you're maintaining your golf cart properly, make sure to check the water levels in your batteries frequently. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and keep them clean. If you don't have water in the batteries, there's a possibility it will fry the batteries when it's charging. Only use distilled water in the batteries because regular water has minerals that will eat out the lead. Now let me show you the proper way to put water in your golf cart batteries. If maintaining golf cart batteries isn't for you, we have maintenance-free options. Be sure to follow us for more golf cart maintenance videos.